Hi, I'm Adam. In this video, I will show you how to install the Geberit DuoFresh module. It's a sensor odour extraction unit designed to neutralise unpleasant odours from within the toilet suite. Before the installation, ensure a licensed electrician is carrying out the electrical work. Refer to your local electrical installation standards to ensure a safe and compliant installation. Firstly, remove the inner cover, transmission block and water supply from the system. It's always good practice to try and stop any swarf entering the system where possible whilst drilling the hole. Use a 35mm hole saw and use the centering provision on the top of the system to drill the hole. Insert the conduit bush until it sits flush with the system and push the flexible conduit in so you have about 15mm inside the system. Install the conduit to a location within the 1.8 metre cable distance for a tiled in access panel. Feed the cable up the conduit, ensuring you have the correct direction to the transformer location. Leave about 300mm out the front, connecting to the DuoFresh module during fit-off stage. Insert the conduit plug over the cable and onto the conduit. Reinstall the water supply to the stop tap and inlet float valve. Install the transmission block. Coil up the cable out of the way for future connection. Install the inner cover, followed by the transmission duct. Once the finished wall linings have been installed, the connection to the transformer can be made. Please note all electrical installation work needs to be carried out by a licensed electrician.